Hi guys, in the previous two sessions we discussed on superposition theorem, Thevenin's theorem and Norton's theorem. In this session we will discuss on maximum power transfer theorem. So first, what is the maximum power transfer theorem? So in any linear bilateral network, maximum power is transferred from the source to load. Maximum power is transferred from source to load when load resistance is equal to the source resistance, or load resistance is equal to the magnitude of source impedance, or load impedance is the complex conjugate of the source impedance. Now these three different conditions. Now this condition, load resistance is equal to the source resistance, means here the source as well as the network, load as well as the network is a purely DC circuit. Load resistance is equal to source resistance. So network with the load both are DC components, DC circuit. Now whereas in this, load resistance is equal to the magnitude of source impedance. So in this case, source network is AC circuit connected to a DC load. AC circuit is connected to a DC load. Here DC circuit is connected to DC load. So when AC circuit is connected to DC load, maximum power is transferred when load resistance is equal to the magnitude of the source impedance. Now in this case, AC circuit is connected to AC load. AC circuit is connected to AC load, then load impedance is the complex conjugate of the source impedance. So we will prove this theorem by taking three different conditions. In this source circuit, we need to convert into equivalent, Thevenin's equivalent circuit. So in this case, before further continuing, source network we need to transform into Thevenin's equivalent circuit. So one by one we will prove. So first one, when load and source are DC. That means source side I will consider the Thevenin's equivalent circuit. After converting the entire network into Thevenin's equivalent circuit, so this is V0 plus minus, this is R0, and this is connected to variable load. So in this load will consume maximum power when this load resistance is equal to source resistance. So what is the equation for the power? RL is known, so PL equal to IL square RL, magnitude of IL square. So in this, I will consider the current as IL. So what is IL in the circuit? IL equal to V0 by R0 plus RL. What happens the power consumed by the load? IL square RL, that means V0 square divided by R0 plus RL square into RL. Now I need to derive the condition at which this power is maximum. So based on the maxima and minima What is the maximum condition and minimum condition? For both the condition, differentiate. First derivative should be 0. So dP by dRL equal to 0. By equating dPL by dRL equal to 0, we will get for what value of RL it is maximum. So what is dPL by dRL? If I differentiate this, V0 square is constant. It is not a function of RL. Now these two are function of RL, V by U by V rule. So based on U by V rule, what happens? V du minus U dV. So R0 plus RL square into du. Differentiation of RL with respect to RL is 1 minus U dV. RL into differentiation of denominator, that is 2 R0 plus RL into 1 divided by V du minus U dV divided by V square, that is R0 plus RL square whole square. This is equal to 0. So whenever the fraction is 0, that means it is because of numerator is 0. So V0 cannot be 0. If it is 0, it would be short circuited. V0 cannot be 0. So that means R0 plus RL square minus RL into 2 R0 plus RL equal to 0. So if I expand this, A plus B whole square, R0 square plus RL square plus 2 R0 RL minus 2 R0 RL minus 2 RL square equal to 0. So 2 R0 RL, 2 R0 RL gets cancelled. So what will remain? R0 square minus RL square equal to 0. So R0 square equal to RL square, which means RL equal to R0. What is RL? Load resistance. What is R0? Source resistance. So maximum power is consumed by the load or maximum power transferred to the load when load resistance is equal to source resistance. So what is the maximum power? P max. So in this PL expression, substitute RL equal to R0. So by substituting V0 square divided by 2 R0 square into R0. That is V0 square by 4 R0 or V0 square by 4 RL. So this is the maximum power transferred because RL equal to R0. Okay, this is when DC circuit is connected to DC load. Next, when AC circuit is connected to DC load. AC circuit is connected to DC load means V0 this is R naught plus Jx naught. R naught plus Jx naught. Then this is load is DC. RL. So in this case, what? Now the source is AC, so the current is also AC current. Now whenever AC current flows in the network, what is the power expression? Magnitude of IL square into RL. So in this particular case, magnitude of IL square into RL. So what is IL now? IL is V naught by R naught plus Jx naught plus RL. Correct? This is IL. That is, it is V naught divided by R naught plus RL plus Jx naught. Now, to get the power expression, magnitude of IL is required. So, magnitude of IL equal to, this is the real value, so V naught divided by, this is the complex. What is the magnitude of the complex term? Square root of real square plus imaginary square. So, this becomes square root of R naught plus RL square plus X naught square. So this is the IL, magnitude of load current. Now what happens to the PL? V naught IL square. So V naught square divided by square of the square root term. So it is R naught plus RL square plus X naught square. Correct? X naught square into RL. Now, similar concept. To find the maxima and minima condition, what is the condition? dPL by dRL equal to 0, which means in this case what happens? V naught square is constant, V du, V means R naught plus RL square plus X naught square into V into du. Differentiation of RL with respect to RL is 1 minus U dV into, what is the differentiation of this? Sum of the differentiations. So 2 into R naught plus RL. X naught differentiation with respect to RL is 0. So this much whole divided by R naught plus RL square plus X naught square whole square V square equal to 0. So similar to previous concept, this is 0 only when numerator is 0. So that is R naught square plus RL square plus 2 R naught RL plus X naught square minus 2 R naught RL minus 2 RL square equal to 0. So 2 R naught RL, 2 R naught RL gets cancelled. So we will get R naught square minus RL square plus x naught square equal to 0. So from this RL square equal to R naught square plus x naught square. So what is RL is R naught square plus x naught square square root of this. R naught square plus x naught square, this is the same as magnitude of z naught, because this R naught plus jx naught, what is the magnitude of this impedance? Square root of R naught square plus x naught square. So when AC circuit is connected to DC load, maximum power is transferred when load resistance is equal to magnitude of source impedance. So in the similar fashion you can find out P max. Okay, P max is equal to magnitude of IL square RL. Okay, RL magnitude of Z naught. Here I can't directly cancel each other because RL is magnitude and IL is also complex, it will come, we need to find the magnitude. Okay, next AC circuit is third condition. AC circuit is connected to AC load, means Thevenin's equivalent circuit for AC circuit V naught, this is the Z naught, which is I will consider as R naught plus jx naught. This is the variable ZL, which is equal to RL plus jXL. XL stands for not a reactive, inductive, it is a reactive, load resistance, load impedance, reactance. Now, in this case, what is the power? IL square into RL. It is not IL square into ZL. So, PL equal to magnitude of IL square into RL only, because power is consumed by resistive component. So inductive and capacitive stores the energy, whereas the resistive component consumes the energy. So power transferred to the load is magnitude of IL square into RL. So what is IL now? V naught divided by R naught plus jx naught plus RL plus jx. So what is the magnitude of IL? Is V naught divided by square root of, what is the real part? R naught plus RL whole square, real part square. What is the imaginary part? X naught plus XL. So X naught plus XL whole square. So what is the PL? Magnitude of IL square RL means V naught square divided by R naught plus RL square, square of the square root, so square root gets cancelled. So X naught plus XL square. Now in this case, this power consumption is depends on RL as well as XL. So what is XL? What is RL when maximum power is transferred? So we need to do dPL by dXL equal to 0 as well as dPL by dRL equal to 0. Okay, into RL is there. So dPL by dXL equal to 0. What happens this? So in this case, these V0 square RL acts as a constant. Because it is the differentiation is with respect to XL. So this acts as a constant, only 1 by this. So it is 1 by R0 plus RL square plus X0 plus XL square whole square. 1 by V differentiation is 1 by V square dV. So what is the differentiation of this? 2 into X0 plus XL equal to 0. So this is 0 only when numerator is 0. That means X0 plus XL equal to 0. That means XL should be equal to minus X0. So maximum power is transferred when XL is equal to minus X0. Now to find resistive load, dPL by dRL equal to 0. So what happens to this dPL by dRL? V0 square is only acts as a constant. VDU, the same concept. R0 square plus, R0 plus RL whole square plus X0 plus XL. Say XL is equal to minus X0, so this term becomes a 0. This is already we derived. Maximum power is transferred when X0 equal to XL. XL equal to minus X0. So this term gets cancelled, so I will retain only this. Into differentiation of RL is 1 minus RL into what happens this 2 R0 plus RL divided by R0 plus RL square plus X0 plus XL square whole square equal to 0. So whenever fraction is 0, numerator is because of numerator 0. That means R0 plus RL whole square minus 2 R0 RL minus 2 RL square. So this we already derived in first case, so we will get RL equal to R0. So RL equal to R0, XL equal to minus X0. So what happens to impedance ZL? ZL equal to RL plus JXL. So substitute RL equal to R0, XL equal to minus X0. So what is this? Z0 conjugate. So whenever AC circuit is connected to AC load, maximum power is transferred when load impedance is complex conjugate of source impedance. So in this case, what happens to the power transfer? So what happens to ZL? Okay, IL square, magnitude of IL square RL. So in this, if I substitute the condition RL equal to R naught and XL equal to minus X naught, what happens? These two terms gets cancelled. IL, I will get it as V naught by 2 R naught. So IL, I will get it as V naught by 2 R naught. IL by 2 R naught. So what happens to P max now? V naught square by 4 R naught square, RL equal to R naught. So it is V naught square by 4 R naught. So this is the derivation when AC circuit is connected to AC load. We will solve more problems related to this in the next session, upcoming sessions. Thank you.